Hey guys, sorry it's been so long since I've posted my last video, but we're back and we're in the RV. Now, let me give you a latest update. Sorry I haven't been recording so much, and hopefully we get a lot more videos out and a lot quicker now, because we got it moved and it's closer to me, so hopefully these videos will start just pumping out a lot quicker. But let me give you a quick update and show you what I've gotten done since our last video and show you what we're moving forward to today and in this video. I've gotten some of this floor ripped up and it's not as bad as I thought, but there is a major problem over here in this corner, and these support beams are just garbage. So I'm gonna have to replace these. Luckily I have a couple pieces of this wood right over there, so I lucked out on that one. I have rebuilt this entire thing right here, almost the entire thing. Now this piece right here is from the last one. I just left it there because it was in good condition. This one was still good. I thought, I was looking down here in the corner and it does look a little ate away, so I might just rebuild this box right here, pull that entire door out and get that rebuilt. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at right now. I'm trying to get the floor ripped up so I can lay the new floor down. I already have it cut back here in this corner, so it'll lay down perfectly right here. Now, the thing is just to get this floor section ripped up. Now I gotta pull this entire thing out so I can redo these two boards all the way across, because they're both eaten out pretty good. And then I had to pull the door out, get under there. It's going to be a big process. So stick with me. Don't forget to like the video, follow, and subscribe. That way you can stay up to date with what I'm doing on this. And again, sorry I forgot to record what I was doing there. But the rest of the RV should be recorded if my phone doesn't mess up or whatever. So let's get into this. Pulled up this floor and we got our first sign of termites. Why do I sound so excited about that? There's a lot of them. Now I gotta go get some spray or something to get these killed before they get on all the new wood and destroy that. So that doesn't look like water damage. Maybe it's termite damage. Guess we'll find out. Well, not really, because not much we can find out. Alright, so sorry I haven't been videoing while I'm working, but I have removed the floor all under here, as you can see. Now, I do have to replace a board that was going across there. I have to replace a board under here. This one, and the one that's going across the top. And then also over here I have two boards, these ones that are bent like that. I have to replace those because they were rotted at the bottom. But I did get these support beams back in and it's holding up pretty nicely. So I'm gonna go cut the boards for this side, finish up this side, and I might just get that wall put on today. We'll see. All right, so we're finishing up for the day and I made quite a bit of progress in my opinion, but let me know what you guys think down in the comments. So here's what I've done so far. Well, a piece of the floor. I still got quite a bit left. And I redid all the framing around there, the framing around this door right here. I said I left that. I got the door back in, the door back attached, and I got that little trap door put back in. And I got this wall up. Now, I thought I had one big enough to go all the way to the top, but apparently I don't, so I stopped right here and I'll figure the rest out later whenever I get to that point. But I got one wall back up. Now, this is not the color it's staying. We're going to paint over it. That's just the wood we found, so. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss a video on when I upload. We still got a long journey ahead of us, but we'll get through it and this thing will look amazing. So see you guys in the next video.